2-ingredient recipes to get rid of unwanted upper lip hair forever. You must try. Having upper lip hair in women can be an issue as you get extremely self-conscious because of it. It's a phenomenon known as hirsutism, which refers to unwanted hair growth in female. Often caused by genetics, it can also be hormonal, among other reasons, and about 5 to 10% of the women population has it. You probably tried hair removal creams and other over-the-counter products to get rid of the upper lip hair, but still keeps coming back. If a laser treatment is not within your budget, this could come as a pleasant surprise that you can actually remove hair without spending money. In fact, the ingredients for the following hair removal recipes could just be sitting in your kitchen right now. Recipe number 1. You'll need 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix and apply on your upper lip. Because this is just water, you will need more than 15 minutes for it to be dry. Both of the first and second recipes may need to have been done for a month every day to get rid of unwanted hair permanently. Recipe number 2. You will need 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Mix the ingredients to get a paste. You can add half a tablespoon of sugar to turn it into a scrub. Just place onto your upper lip and peel off using water. To get the best results, repeat this twice weekly for the next 30 days. Recipe number 3. You'll need 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of milk. To start, mix the 2 ingredients in a bowl and place on your upper lip right after. Wait for the mixture to dry and rinse after 15 minutes. Washing can also help close the pores on that region. Recipe number 4. You'll need 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of flour. Add the 2 ingredients together along with 1 tablespoon of water. Then, apply on the unwanted hair and wait for it to dry before removing the paste. It helps if you rub the paste off the opposite direction of the hair growth. There are many ways to remove unwanted facial hair. You can thread your upper lip hair or you can wax it, but these two can be quite helpful. As of creams, they can have negative effects and may not be as gentle as you think. Instead of choosing these methods, go for the natural ways listed above.